And it goes a little something like
Afternoon everyone, ako nga pala si Gabriel Calix Cesarino at itong nasa tabing puno ko ay rambutan. Alam nyo ba na ang scientific name ng rambutan ay Nephilium lapacum? At ang rambutan ay kabilang sa soapberry family. Ang importance neto sa ecosystem ay it increases resilience to drought, heavy rainfall, pests and disease, and serve as a source of additional income and optimizes the use of idle lots, plots, as well as nearby forest areas with low vegetation cover. Ang 10 health benefits ng rambutan ay 1. Excellent for weight loss. 2. Lower cholesterol. 3. Improves digestion. 4. Strength teeth and bones. 5. Increase immunity. 6. Hydrates and energize our body. 7. Cleans the kidney. 8. Regulates blood sugar. 9. Helps to prevent cancer. 10. Source of iron. Rambutan ay nagpo-provide ng manganese, copper, vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, potassium, folate, and vitamin A. Yun lang at sana marami kayo natutunan sa video na to. Bye-bye!